Okay, we're in the bathroom. Jasmine has Jasmine has stopped up the toilet. She's flushed it several times and now the water is at overflow level. Monica, being the good friend she is using some sort of using the plunger holder, which has a curve in it, to scoop the water out of the toilet. Jasmine, how do you feel about this?
I feel terrible, and yet so happy that Monica's doing this. You're such a good friend.
We're gonna have to mop the floor later.
I can't believe
Okay, Monica's gonna plunge. Plunge, Moni. Plunge. Let's get in there.
Ingenious. Ingenious.
And Monica has cleared the problem. The chicken is in the coop.
Monica, I love you.
Monica, how do you feel now that you've unclogged the toilet?
Pretty great, pretty great.
Alright, good, good.